Hey guys, and welcome to another week of the Student Centered World podcast. Today, I want you to have a little bit of a conversation with yourself because we know often that not only are we our own worst critic, but we are also a lot of times the person that we listen to the least. And a lot of times that leads to a lot of negative effects both in our professional life, personal life, and right now this is a really difficult season for teaching. So I want to give you some words of wisdom that I think can help get you through.
Welcome to the Student Centered World podcast, where we talk about all things hands-on teaching and keeping your energy and sanity in the classroom. This teacher turned consultant is making it her mission to help as many teachers as possible become the best version of themselves and keep their passion for teaching on fire. It's her hope that we never forget why we desire to have a passion for educational progress. This is Student-Centered World, and this is Jen Bry Soccer.
Today, I wanted to take a few minutes to encourage you to have faith. And I'm not talking about faith in a higher power or faith in the universe or the government or your school district administration. I'm talking about having faith in yourself. You became a teacher because you wanted to make a difference. If you were a teacher that signed on because you wanted summers off or you wanted to coach or whatever, you're not listening to me talk right now. You're here and you signed up for this video series, you jumped into the Facebook group, you're participating in here because you love being a teacher, even though some days might not feel like that right now. But you love helping your students. You love the aha moments. You love all of the cliche things we say about being teachers. By being here, you are doing what you can to try to find the best way to move forward this school year for you and your mental and physical health, and also that of your students. As teachers, that's what we do. It's what we just have such a passion for. And you need to keep that faith in yourself that you can do this and you're going to rock at it. It's not necessarily a perfect scenario. Not everything that you try is going to be perfect, but you are here because you want to try to find a way to make it work. We don't know what's happening this school year. That's why you're here. Have the faith in yourself that you're going to do the best job that you can do that saves your own sanity in the interim. We were not doing distance learning in the spring. We were doing crisis learning in the spring. We were taking spaghetti and throwing it against every wall to find out what would stick to make us get through the year, to be able to hopefully teach our students something. A lot of people failed at that. And if you're not confident and you're not comfortable with how you did in the spring and you are here, then more than ever, you need to have the faith in yourself because you understand that you weren't happy with what you did. And maybe you don't have the guidance from your school that's going to help you do it better. I want to help you do it better. I was speaking to a lady today that I came across and I was explaining to her what I do for work, and she was so excited to hear it. She was like, I know so many teachers that are trying to find this balance. Can you please write down your information so I can get it to them? Yes. If you have colleagues or friends, coworkers, family members that are in education that are trying to figure this out right now, the articles, the podcasts, y'all, I put it out there because I want to help. I want you to have confidence. And I try to pick things that I see people talking about right now to discuss. I give ideas on how you can do distance learning without an issue, how you can come up with different programs and different ways to collaborate. And it's going to keep going. You can get it done. Have the faith in yourself that you're going to be able to digest this, to plan for it, and to get it done. I have faith in you guys. I'm in here. I'm talking to you every day. I go in, you ask questions, you have comments, I get emails, I get messages, and I try to answer every single person to the best of my ability. If I don't know an answer, I'm trying to find it for you. That's what I do. So if you find that you don't have the time or the bandwidth right now to try to figure out something that you're going to need to figure out, I will try to help you figure it out, because that's why I'm here, to try to help you as much as I can, so you are confident, knowing it's going to be a mess. It's going to be a little bit of a cluster, but you'll have a plan that can be adapted if you need to, and you'll be ready to make it happen. Please do something for yourself today. Please enjoy this Saturday. If you have a nice day, go take a walk, go do something, clear your head. So again, anything that I can help you with, any questions that you have, anything at all, send me a message, send me an email.
You know, I'm always willing to help or chat. So I hope you found this a little bit helpful, a little enlightening, and I will see you next Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.